In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a checkbox in a table in Notion. Start by opening Notion and creating a new table database if you don't already have one. This gives you a structured place to store rows of information, and the checkbox will become one of the columns in that table. Once your table is open, add a new row if needed and give it a name. In Notion, the first column is usually the title column, so this is where you name the item you want to track. For example, this could be a task, a project, or any item you want to mark as done or not done. Now look across the top of the table for Add Property. In Notion, a property is simply a column type, like text, date, select, or checkbox. Click Add Property to create a new column. After that, you'll see the property type options. Click the type selector, then look through the list for checkbox. The checkbox property is useful when you want a simple yes or no value, or a done versus not done status. Click Checkbox to select it. As soon as you do that, Notion will add a new checkbox column to your table. At this point, you should see an empty checkbox appear in each row under that new column. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're looking at the table header area where new properties are added. To use it, just click any checkbox in a row to mark that item as completed. Click it again if you want to uncheck it. This makes it an easy way to track progress without typing anything manually. One common mistake beginners make is trying to add a checkbox inside the page content instead of as a table property. If your goal is to have a clickable checkbox for every row in a Notion table, make sure you're using addee property and choosing checkbox, not typing a to-do list inside the page itself. You can also rename the checkbox column if you want something more specific, like done, completed, or approved. That makes the table easier to understand, especially if you're using it for multiple tasks or projects. And that's how you add a checkbox in a table in Notion. Thanks for watching.